aspiring bloggers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of blogging and share tips and tricks to help you kickstart your very own successful blog. Today, we have a topic that's going to ignite your passion and creativity: how to start a successful blog. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a newbie with a story to share, these steps will set you on the path to blogging greatness. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. Your niche is the specific topic or theme your blog will revolve around. It could be anything that interests you: travel, food, fashion, lifestyle, or even a unique combination. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience interested in the topic. Step 2. Research your audience. Get to know your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests and preferences? Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates and connects with them. Step 3. Select a catchy domain name. Your domain name is your blog's address on the internet. It should be memorable, relevant to your niche, and easy to spell. Spend some time brainstorming and choose a name that represents your blog's identity. Step 4. Find a reliable hosting provider. To make your blog accessible on the internet, you'll need a hosting provider. Look for a reliable and reputable hosting service that offers good customer support and fits your budget. Step 5. Set up your blog platform. There are several blogging platforms available, but WordPress is one of the most popular and user-friendly options. Install WordPress on your hosting account to create and manage your blog easily. Step 6. Customize your blog design. Choose a clean and visually appealing blog theme that aligns with your niche. Customize the design, fonts, and colors to create a unique and welcoming atmosphere for your readers. Step 7. Create high-quality content. Content is king in the blogging world. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable, and engaging content that addresses the needs and interests of your audience. Consistency is key, so establish a posting schedule and stick to it. Step 8. Promote your blog. Share your blog posts on social media, engage with your audience, and network with other bloggers in your niche. Effective promotion is essential to grow your readership and reach. Step 9. Monetize your blog. There are various ways to monetize your blog, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products, or offering online courses. Choose monetization strategies that align with your blog's content and audience. Step 10. Analyze and Adapt. Regularly analyze your blog's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and adapt your strategy accordingly. Continuous improvement is the key to long-term success. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to start a successful blog that resonates with your audience and fulfills your passion for writing and sharing. Remember, blogging is a journey, so enjoy the process and stay committed to your unique voice. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow aspiring bloggers. Thanks for watching, and may your blog flourish with creativity and success.